Imagine going to sleep tonight, thinking everything is normal, and waking up to breaking news. Your government has just replaced the national currency. It's not a transition, it's a switch, flipped overnight. The cash in your wallet, the emergency funds stashed away, it's no longer valid. Your bank balance is frozen, pending review. All of it, your savings, your security, instantly turned into pieces of paper that mean nothing. A wave of collective anxiety washes over the country. People rush to ATMs, but the machines are dark, or they no longer dispense the old bills. Stores stop accepting cash. You try to pay with your phone, but the digital payment just shows an error message. Everyone is confused, angry, panicking, because by sunrise, the money they trusted their entire lives with is gone. So what actually happens on a day like this? And more importantly, what becomes valuable when the official system collapses? The first thing that skyrockets in demand is anything the government cannot control. Gold, silver, jewelry, even rare collectible coins. Assets that don't change value just because a politician makes an announcement. These become the new temporary money for people just trying to survive the first chaotic 24 hours. But soon, another form of currency proves even more powerful: essential goods. Food, clean water, medicine, fuel for a generator, batteries for a flashlight. Items with real, tangible utility suddenly matter more than any digital number in a bank ever did. When official money disappears, these survival items become the closest thing to hard currency. Meanwhile, on the global stage, foreign currency markets explode. The US dollar, the euro, even cryptocurrencies become lifelines for anyone trying to protect what little wealth they have left. Anything that holds international trust immediately becomes a shield against domestic chaos. While all this is happening on the ground, the new government-issued currency takes time to roll out. It's not an instant process. Banks need days, sometimes weeks, to convert balances and get new systems online. Businesses have to update their entire payment infrastructure. People have to learn the new value of everything from a loaf of bread to a month's rent. And during this transition, the entire economy enters a strange, unsettling limbo, a period where nobody knows what anything is truly worth. The outside world watches, suddenly wary of a country whose financial promises could vanish overnight. Foreign investment freezes, trade agreements become fraught with risk. But in this void, something essential emerges. In these moments, trust becomes the real money. The trust between neighbors who agree to trade a bag of rice for a canister of gas. The trust between a farmer and a doctor. The trust between you and whoever is willing to trade with you based on your word when the official system simply isn't there yet. A sudden currency switch doesn't just change the bills in your wallet. It's a stress test for an entire society. It exposes what actually has value in your life, and it's rarely what you thought. It's the tangible assets you can hold in your hand. It's the practical skills you can offer to others. And most importantly, it's the people you can rely on when the systems we take for granted fail. When a country changes its currency overnight, the world doesn't end, but the rules change instantly and completely. And the people who understand what real value is, the ones who know that worth is measured in more than just dollars and cents, they are the ones who stay calm, stay prepared, and ultimately stay ahead.